GIS, Swiss Lifting Solutions. GIS develops and produces electric chain hoists for more than 50 years in Switzerland, with sales to every corner of the world. The brand new GP model is simple in its structure, contains no sensitive electronics, and offers up to 60% more lifting capacity. The chain hoist is powerful, robust, reliable, and enduring. The 3-stage polygon gear with helical gearing makes the GP quiet in its operation. It has a permanent lubrication and is positioned as black box underneath the cover. The 5-pocket chain wheel with horizontal and upright supported chain links guarantees very quiet operation. The case-hardened profiled steel chain with manganese phosphate provides low wearing, which increases the lifetime of the chain considerably. New components, such as the skeleton load hook with stable hook locking, offer enhanced safety. A feature of the GP is the protection class of IP65 as standard. It is protected against water jets and dustproof, and therefore perfectly suited for outdoor use. With the integrated geared limit switch, the upper and lower end position of the load hook can be set easily and accurately. The GP has an overall modular design with good accessibility of the wearing parts. The shaft hub connections in self-centered polygonal design allow fast disassembly and assembly during maintenance. GP, the powerful electric chain hoist for the discerning user.